Students, here I am going to discuss the third model, MM1 infinite FCFS. So here this model is same as model 1 with the difference that here mean arrival rate and mean servicing rate are not constant. If you remember, in the first model we have taken lambda n and mu n, both are lambda and mu, but here we will consider that lambda and mu depends on n. Find the numbers of units present in the system. So here in this model we will consider three cases. Case 1, when lambda n is equal to lambda and mu n is mu. That means model 1. This is model 1. This is already discussed. Second case, when lambda is lambda by n plus 1. That means decreasing. As the number of customers increases, arrival rate decreases. And mu n is mu, constant. So lambda n decreases as n increases. And mu n is, जितने ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे आप कम से कम को अलाउ करोगे, सो अराइवल रेट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. फाइन, यानी कि आप ज़्यादा लोगों को, जब भीड़ बढ़ जाएगी तो आप ज़्यादा लोगों को अंदर आने नहीं दोगे, बैरियर लगा दोगे. दिस इज द केस. नाउ द थर्ड केस, व्हेन लैम्डा इज लैम्डा यानी अराइवल रेट इज कांस्टेंट बट डिपार्चर इज एन म्यू. दैट मीन्स आपके पास सर्वर्स ज़्यादा हैं, सर्वर्स आपके पास भीड़ के हिसाब से आप बढ़ा दोगे, एन म्यू. So n is 0, 1, 2, 3. So lambda n is independent of n while mu n increases with the increase of n. Here n channels means servers are available for service for n customers. So there will be no queue. Fine. So let us discuss step number 1 and 2 simultaneously. So here is the graph. So now here we will not consider lambda. Here we are considering basically the general form. So 0, 1, 2, n minus 1, n plus 1. These are the states. These are the arrival rate, lambda naught, lambda 1, lambda n minus 1, lambda n. This is the mu 1, mu 2 departure rate. Now from the general, this is the general formula, and total probability is 1. So now from equation number 2, p naught plus p1 plus p2, this is equal to 1. P naught plus p1. P1 is, according to here, P1 is lambda by mu 1 P naught. P2 will be lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by mu 2 mu 1 P naught. Fine, and so on. So finally just take P naught common. So we get P naught equal to 1 upon this sum, 1 plus lambda naught by mu naught 1 lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by mu 2 mu 1 plus and so on. And suppose this sum is S. Suppose S. So where S is this sum. Fine. So now here, now we have two possibilities, because this is a series. S is a series. S is a series. So now here we have two possibilities, whether S is a divergent series or S is a convergent series. Now if S is diverges, that means S tends to infinite, as n tends to infinite. So if this term is tending to infinite, so obviously P naught will be 0. P naught will be 0, then there is no meaning of this model, because P naught is 0, so Pn will be 0. Ultimately everything is 0. So that's why we are not considering the case when S is a divergent series. So we will consider the case when, so P naught is 0, which is meaningless. So let us assume that the series S is a convergent series. Now to find the sum of series 4, we may take particular cases on lambda and mu n as discussed above. Fine. So we will take three cases, case 1, case 2 and case 3. So let us take case 1. When lambda n is lambda, mu n is mu. That means first model number 1. When model number 1, so what will be S? S is 1 plus lambda by mu whole square, lambda by mu cube and so on. यहाँ जो है हम lambda by mu रख देंगे सबकी जगह, lambda 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 mu 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 mu. So we will get this series, which is nothing but infinite series, geometric series with ratio lambda by mu. That means rho, and rho is here. We have assumed that this sum is valid when rho is less than 1. ये सम तब वैलिड था जब रो जो रेशो था वो लेस देन 1 था, तभी तो कन्वर्ज करेगी ये सीरीज, बिकॉज दिस इज अ कन्वर्जेंट सीरीज. ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज कब कन्वर्ज करती है? जब रेशो लेस देन 1 रहता है. फाइन, ये हमने रियल एनालिसिस में पढ़ा है. फाइन, सो दैट्स वाई, सो वी आर नॉट कंसिडरिंग रो इज ग्रेटर देन 1, अदरवाइज तो वो डाइवर्जेंट का केस हो जाएगा, और जब डाइवर्जेंट का केस हो जाएगा तो मीनिंगलेस है. सो वी विल नॉट कंसिडरिंग दैट. सो हियर पी नॉट इज फ्रॉम हियर, पी नॉट इज 1 by s, but s is 1 by 1 minus rho, so put the value of s here, so we get 1 minus rho. Pn is lambda by mu raised to the power n p naught, and p naught is this, so rho raised to the power n 1 minus rho. And you remember this is nothing but the model number 1, which we have already discussed. Fine. Now take the second case when lambda n is lambda by n plus 1, that means lambda n decreases as n increases. जैसे जैसे n बढ़ेगा लैम्डा एन अराइवल रेट घटता जाएगा, यानी हम बैरियर लगाएंगे कोई. म्यू एन इज म्यू, दिस इज कांस्टेंट. सब्स्टिट्यूट दीज वैल्यूज हियर, सो एस विल बी 1 प्लस रो बाय लैम्डा बाय म्यू 1, लैम्डा 1 लैम्डा नॉट डिवाइडेड बाय म्यू 2 म्यू 1 एंड सो ऑन. सब्स्टिट्यूट दीज वैल्यूज, so 1 plus lambda naught is lambda by 1, and mu 1 will be mu, so lambda by mu. Similarly lambda 1 lambda naught, जब वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो ये आएगा लैम्डा स्क्वायर 2 इंटू 1 म्यू स्क्वायर, लैम्डा 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1 म्यू क्यूब एंड सो ऑन. दैट मीन्स 1 प्लस लैम्डा बाय म्यू प्लस 1 बाय फैक्टोरियल 2 लैम्डा बाय म्यू होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाय फैक्टोरियल 3 लैम्डा बाय म्यू क्यूब एंड सो ऑन. So if you put lambda by mu as rho, so we get 1 plus rho plus 1 by factorial 2 rho square plus 1 by factorial 3 rho cube and so on, which is nothing but the exponential series e raised to the power rho, a finite quantity. Fine, so a finite quantity. So here this is your s, but when you substitute s here, so we will get p naught. P naught is 1 by s. So p naught is 1 by s, that means e raised to the power minus rho, and p1 will be according to here pn. Pn is this rho by this. Pn will be evaluated with the help of this formula. Fine. So p naught, p1 will be lambda by mu 1 p naught, but p naught is this, so lambda by mu e raised to the power minus rho, and lambda by mu is rho. So this is p1. p2 is lambda 1 naught lambda 1 divided by mu 1 mu 2 p naught, but lambda 1 and lambda 1 they are evaluated with the help of this decreasing. Lambda naught is lambda upon 1, lambda 1 is lambda by 2, so put it here, so we get lambda square 1 into 2 mu square. After solution, lambda rho square by factorial 2 e raised to the power minus rho. Similarly pn will be this product multiplied by p naught. After putting the values in terms of lambda and mu and writing this term as factorial n, we get rho raised to the power n divided by factorial n e raised to the power minus rho. Fine. So pn follows Poisson distribution. This is nothing but the Poisson distribution. Fine. Now case number 3, if rho n is lambda and mu n is n mu, यानी अराइवल रेट जो है वो कांस्टेंट है, बट डिपार्चर जो है वो ज़्यादा है, यानी नंबर ऑफ सर्वर्स हमने बढ़ा दिए हैं. एज नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स बढ़ेंगे हमने सर्वर भी बढ़ा दिए हैं तब. सो एस विल बी 1 प्लस लैम्डा बाय म्यू प्लस लैम्डा स्क्वायर बाय 1 इंटू 2 इंटू म्यू स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन. सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यूज, सो वी गेट 1 प्लस रो स्क्वायर बाय फैक्टोरियल 2 प्लस, सो दिस इज अगेन ई रेज टू द पावर रो. फाइन, this is this, so p naught is 1 by s e raised to